Hi, I'm James Meredith here at ISE 23 with Netvio, and at the show this year we're launching several new products, but one that I want to show you right now is the new HDBaseT 3 extender set, the EX-HT3-4001-10. And this is a really great product for anyone who has AVRs to screens where they need very, very high quality video, completely uncompressed 18 gig transfer over a Cat6 and above cable up to 40 meters with this product. Probably the feature I'm most excited about this is adding eARC now for the first time, because transmission for eARC typically has been with active fiber HDMI cables, and those top out at a certain distance. So with this we can now do 40 meters from the rack, from the AVR, and get all that content from the display back with totally lossless sound and a totally lossless video transmission from the rack to the projector or display. So please go to netvio.co.uk and check out more information.